fuck it up. Run it up, run it up. Get in your groove, break it up. We'll hush to the movie. That's when I'm toss it up. I took that loss like a blessing. I got it right back up and nested. I took that loss like a blessing. I swear to God, I ain't stressing. I took that loss like a blessing. Yeah. I took that loss like a blessing. I took that loss like a blessing. I took that loss like a blessing. I got it right back up and nested. I took that loss like a blessing. I swear to God, I ain't stressing. I took that loss like a blessing. Yeah. I took that loss like a blessing. I took that loss like a blessing. Yeah. Fuck it up.
It's your girl Tassja. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today's look is going to be this look. I put a poll on Twitter, y'all voted. This is what y'all decided. The palettes that I used for this eye look was the Juvia's Place palettes and the Morphe 35M palette. This tutorial, this look took me a good little minute. You'll see this, you'll see that right there. I didn't know where I was going in the direction of this look. It was supposed to be a red smoky eye, but that didn't work. That didn't come out. That's not what happened. But yeah, if you like the look that you're seeing, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell button. And yeah, first I'm finna go in with this orange shade from the Zulu palette, and I'll be placing it on my eye in a round shape. Now I'll be taking the yellow shade and blending out the outsides of the orange that was just applied. Now I'm taking the shade Morocco from the Nubian 2 palette and placing that in my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Bensu from the Afrique palette and placing that exactly where I just placed the Morocco shade at to deepen it up. Now I'm taking the shade Jezebel from the Nubian 2 palette and placing that under my crease and on my lid. Now with some concealer and an angle brush, I'm going to slice down the side of the eyeshadow, and then I'm going to make a wing shape. Now I'm taking this dark blue shade from the Afrique palette and placing that where I just made the wing shape at. Now I'm taking this green shade from the Morphe 35M palette and filling in the rest of the wing. Now I'm taking the shade Aya from the Afrique palette and filling in the tip of the wing and also blending that into the green that we placed in the wing to make like a ombre effect. Now underneath my eye, I placed the shade Jezebel, and then I went underneath Jezebel with the shade Morocco, and then I went into my waterline with the blue shade. After I did all that, I placed lashes on off camera, and that was all for this look.